Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to convert a PDF file to JPG using Adobe Reader in 2025. Whether you're a student needing images for a project or a professional prepping documents for presentations, this method is fast, free, and incredibly user-friendly. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Reader installed on your computer. If you don't, head over to the official Adobe website, download it for free, and install it quickly. Once that's done, open Adobe Reader and load the PDF file you want to convert. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting Open, then browsing to your PDF. Now, here's where the magic happens. Go to the File menu again and look for Export or Save As. In the 2025 version, Adobe has made this even more intuitive. Select Image as the export format, and then choose JPG from the options. You'll see a preview of your pages, so you can select specific ones if needed or convert the entire document at once. Next, click on the Export button, and a dialog box will pop up asking you to choose a location on your computer to save the files. Pick a folder, name your file, and hit Save. Depending on the size of your PDF, this might take a few seconds. Once it's done, you'll have your PDF pages converted into individual JPG images, perfect for editing in other programs like Photoshop or sharing online. One quick tip: if your PDF has multiple pages, each will be saved as a separate JPG file, so keep that in mind for organization. Also, remember that converting to JPG might slightly reduce image quality, so use this for non-critical documents. And if Adobe Reader isn't your thing, there are other free tools out there, but this one is built-in and reliable. There you have it, folks. You've just learned how to convert PDF to JPG in Adobe Reader. It's that simple and takes less than a minute once you're set up. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.